When we hear the words Civil War, we imagine the clash in the United States between the North and the South in the late 1800s. At its heart, a civil war is defined as an internal conflict within one country. Well, any one of us can experience civil wars at times, family fractures that end in disputes or divorce, differing theological opinions on various sections of Scripture, even internal personal struggles along the lines of Paul's torturous comment in Romans chapter 7, verse 15, "I do not understand what I do. For what I want to do, I do not do. But what I hate, I do." How do we work toward the internal unity that God desires for His people and for ourselves as individuals? Well, in 2 Samuel chapter 2 through chapter 4, we witness a long season of civil war in Israel. For many years, two kings vied for control of the land. Saul, the original anointed and crowned king, had been defrocked by God for his disobedience. The much younger David, a man after God's heart, had been anointed, but not yet crowned king. Years passed, battles raged. Saul died, and David became king over the tribe of Judah, while Saul's heirs continued to claim Israel. The conflict continued with heirs of the two houses struggling against one another. Samuel gives us some perspective for how God can use even his imperfect leaders like David to address strife. David's best moments were when he sought God for direction, and his worst were when he took matters into his own hands. God sustained his people through this disaster and continued to do so through the hundreds of years that followed to bring about David's ultimate successor, Jesus. Civil wars threaten to separate us from each other and from parts of ourselves. God stands ready to help us as we turn to Him. In our moments of conflict, let's turn to Him for help.